Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying basics that actually matter. Make sure the router is powered and running the latest firmware. Check your ISP status so you're not chasing ghosts. Once done, position yourself 10 meters from the router and clear big obstructions. Physical placement often fixes dropouts. Then, on the device, forget the SSID and reconnect. This resets authentication and clears stale settings. Make sure to note the exact SSID and password so you don't create a new confusion when rejoining. Now you dive into detailed fixes. Inspect DHCP settings and either assign a static IP to your device or shorten lease time to avoid conflicts. Next, change the Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6, or 11, or enable auto channel so interference from neighbors drops. Then choose the appropriate band. Pick 5 GHz for less interference and higher throughput, or 4 GHz for better range. Make sure device drivers and router radios match the selected band. These steps remove address and RF level churn that commonly causes disconnects. Finish by updating router firmware and your device network drivers, then reboot the router first and the device second so DHCP and routing establish cleanly. If problems persist, backup settings and perform a factory reset on the router, then reconfigure only essential options to reduce complexity. If you still get disconnects, isolate the device by testing it on another Wi-Fi network. If it disconnects there too, the device is likely at fault. That last test saves you from endless router tinkering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.